Tehillim 116. I love Yahuwah, because he listens to my voice and my cries for mercy. Because he has turned his ear to me, therefore I will call on him as long as I live. The cords of death surrounded me. The pains of Sheol got a hold of me. I found trouble and sorrow. Then I called on the name of Yahuwah. Yahuwah, I beg you, deliver my soul. Yahuwah is gracious and righteous. Yes, our Elohim is merciful. Yahuwah preserves the simple. I was brought low, and he saved me. Return to your rest, my soul, for Yahuwah has dealt bountifully with you. For you have delivered my soul from death, my eyes from tears, and my feet from falling. I will walk before Yahuwah in the land of the living. I believed, therefore I said, I was greatly afflicted. I said in my haste, all men are liars. What will I give to Yahuwah for all his benefits toward me? I will take the cup of salvations and call on the name of Yahuwah. I will pay my vows to Yahuwah, yes, in the presence of all his people. Precious in the sight of Yahuwah is the death of his saints. Yahuwah, truly I am your servant. I am your servant, the son of your handmaid. You have freed me from my chains. I will offer to you the sacrifice of thanksgiving and will call on the name of Yahuwah. I will pay my vows to Yahuwah, yes, in the presence of all his people, in the courts of Yahuwah's house, in the midst of you, Yerushalayim. Hallelujah.